Okay, so our app has a concept of storylines and gamification. So we call it story-based learning, and the way we do it is this first part of the screen where there are different kind of stories. This specific card is messed up, but you can look at the rest: Illuminate, Decode, and Brain Dump. This is a test environment, so the names don't really look very gamified, but the production version will be quite gamified. So what the user will then do is after they kind of chosen what they want to do and their interests. So when we explain, taking a step back, when we explain this to teachers, we will have to try and explain that we help the students to discover new trends, discover new things that they can do within the class, and all of these stories are set up by the teacher. So when you click on the brain dump, in this case, you will get matched. The student will get matched to other groups that might be interested in the same topic. So for example, you might be in a class and then there might be a whole bunch of students interested in different things. How do you get matched with people who are interested in the same thing? So right now we might be doing a project, for example, and we might want to get matched with other students interested in the same project. So I can join a group. This is for matching of people who are interested in the same topic. So once you have done that, the teacher himself can insert tasks for the students to do. So this page is supposed to look a little bit like Telegram. So some students see it as a Telegram, a chat, and this chat is actually embedded with tasks. You can see on the top right, there's this thing whereby you can start a task. Right now you can do pictures. We're working on a video, so the video will record, and then there's a picture. So you can snap a picture like this, and the objective is for the student to basically document down his learning, and then he will send it to and then he will submit it like this, and this will be shared to the group. So this use case is being used in engineering, whereby the teacher wants to have a better understanding of what the students are doing. So instead of just Microsoft Word, here the student can snap a picture and share it, and all of this will actually go back to the teacher when the student saves it. So what will happen is the student comes to export. Oh, I didn't translate this part. And then he will click on whatever he wants to save, and when he clicks on save, it will be sent this share will be sent back to the teacher in a dashboard on a web-based version. So that's about it. A few things. One more thing is the group page will be able to see all the groups that he has joined, and all of this at the top is kind of the Instagram story style. I can click on this. I can add a comment to my friends. This is basically my friend's post. I can add a comment to my friend's post, and I swipe back down to close it, and I can go to any of these groups so there's other things as well. There is Illuminate. What Illuminate does is a bit more like a quiz. I haven't yet figured out a very good use case for the quiz, but some teachers might want to use it. So this Illuminate will open up, hopefully. Why is it not opening? Okay, there you go. So I will click on this. So this is kind of like a quiz. We actually get the answers from Google Talk to Books. When you actually click on this chat, it actually opens up a share, like for you to populate your opinion. This part is not very well done yet. I submit it, and then if I go back to the group, actually the submit will show, bang, like this. So this part is kind of like trying to share. It's kind of like a Facebook share, but it's done as part of this group instead. So as part of this storyline as well, so the stories can progress. So week 1 might be a quiz, week 2 might be a video, week 3 might be a snapping picture thing. So all of this can come together. So that's kind of roughly what this app is about.